so now we're going to play the game Get in Order. So the children would have been learning all about ordinal numbers, first, second, third. So maybe have the children repeat that, and then each student will have a card with an ordinal number, and the job is to get in the correct order in a line. Are you ready, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you ready, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll take 1, 2. Okay, on your marks, get set, go. Get in order. Who is first?
I'm fourth.
I'm fifth. I'm fifth.
Third.
I got it.
Okay, and I am first. Let's have a check. Lucy is first.
Lucy is first.
Who is second?
Mummy is second.
Who is fifth?
Olivia is fifth.
Okay, and Ben, what position are you?
I am fourth.
Fantastic. And you can have more cards and more numbers and get in the correct order. Make sure you ask the students which position they're in to practice those ordinal numbers. Fantastic. Have fun.